Hey guys, this experiment is all about transforming images, moving, rotating, resizing, and changing the perspective using OpenCV. First, I import the CV2 and the NumPy libraries. Next is the cv2.ambit function where I load the Bosch image and I grab its height and width using the img.shape function. Then I load the then I then I start with the affine transformation where I define two sets of 3 points, which is the points 1 and 2, has three sets of points inside those two. Uh, then I use the cv2.getAffine transformation, where I get the matrix that maps one triangle to another. Applying it with cv2.warp affine slightly skews the image. Next is the perspective transformation. This time we use 4 points instead of three. cv2.getPerspective transformation function makes it look like we're viewing the image from an angle, like tilting a photo. Then comes the scaling, which is the cv2.resize function with 1.5 fx and 1.5 fy. So this zooms the image 1.5 times bigger. Then for translation, we shift the image using the matrix. Here it moves 100 pixels right and 50 pixels down. And finally, rotation. We create a rotation matrix uh, with the help of the cv2.getRotationMatrix2D function, which rotates the image for 45 degrees and displays it. Each one's shown in a different window with the help of the IMShow functions. And let's see how these functions are seen. So as you can see, the rotation function works over here. This has rotated the entire picture by 45 degrees. So translation function, the perspective function, scaling, which zoomed the image 1.5 times bigger, and the affine transformation figure at the end. Its supervisual really helps understand how OpenCV changes image geometry. Thank you.